Internet services. Learning about the following points. Searching for information and people on the net. E-commerce. News groups. Internet telephony. Disadvantages of the Internet. Internet services. The Internet has millions of users all over the world, and the number is increasing at an amazing rate. The Internet has revolutionized the lives of people, extending its services in all areas. In this chapter, we shall be discussing some of the basic and some of the newer services of the Internet. Getting information. The most popular use of the Internet is for retrieval of information. The World Wide Web is a huge storehouse of information on all topics ranging from news, politics, movies, the latest scientific inventions, fashion, and so on. To browse or surf the web for information, you need a browser software such as the Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, or Firefox. Each website has its own address on the Internet, which is known as its Uniform Resource Locator, or URL, which has to be entered in the browser's address bar. This causes the home page of the site to appear in your browser. This home page will have links to the other pages of the site. Each time you visit a web page, the browser makes a copy of the web page in your PC. In other words, it downloads the page to your computer. Searching for information. In case you do not know the URL of the site containing the required information, the search engine program comes to your rescue. There are many search engines available on the net. Keywords related to the topic are entered by the user. The search engine program uses these keywords to search its database of web pages and then displays the matching web addresses. Some popular search engines are Google.com, AltaVista.com, Yahoo.com, and Coach.com. Searching for people. The Internet is not only used to find information, but also to find people. Public directories are services which store information about people. People use public directories to find people, friends, and relatives and get in touch with them. 411, Bigfoot are some commonly used public directories used to search people on the Internet. Electronic mail, that is, email. The email is a fast, easy, and inexpensive way of communicating over the Internet. It is one of the earliest and most popular services of the Internet. Emailing allows you to send text messages, images, videos, and music files to any Internet user who has an email account. The person receiving the mail can also answer back immediately. To send or receive emails, you need to have an email account. Your Internet service provider will provide you an email account, or you could create an email account with any web-based free email account provider. Nowadays, most web portals, that is websites which have links to other websites, or search engines, offer free email services. Some popular sites providing email services are Yahoo.com, Gmail.com, Rediffmail.com, and Hotmail.com. Email etiquette. While sending emails, certain etiquettes should be followed. They could be listed as: Your email should always have a subject. It is rude to use all uppercase letters while typing a message. It looks like you are shouting. Check your mail for spelling and grammatical mistakes before sending it. Do not send spam, that is junk mail. Avoid sending large attachments with your emails unless you have notified the receiver. Downloading files. Web pages can be saved on your hard disk for viewing when you are not connected. This is known as downloading. It is also possible to download software from web servers. Types of softwares that can be downloaded. Freeware are software that can be downloaded for free and used by anybody. Shareware are software which can be downloaded for free, but after some time, you will have to pay to use the software. Trialware are software which can be downloaded for trial purposes. To use the actual software, we need to pay. Betaware are new software that needs to be tested. The creators let people use it for testing and pointing out the shortcomings. Updates to antivirus software. Licensed antivirus software needs to be updated regularly. We can download updates of these from the net. Chatting. Chatting is talking in real time over the internet. Email is not real time as the parties do not have to be online at the same time. A chat room is a site which lets you send typed messages which are immediately received by your friend. Your friend then answers to the messages which are again instantly received by you. In this manner, an online text conversation takes place. Most browsers and mail account providers have their own chat programs. For example, Internet Explorer provides Microsoft Chat. Netscape Navigator provides Netscape Chat. Internet Relay Chat, that is IRC, is one of the oldest chat services. Sometimes, instead of typing long messages, we use acronyms or short forms to increase our typing speed while chatting. Some commonly used acronyms are BTW, that is by the way. B/W, that is between. TNX, that is thanks. PLS, that is please. TTFN, that is Tata for now. OTOH, that is on the other hand. IMHO, that is in my humble opinion. B/C, that is because. MSG, that is message. WTG, that is way to go. POV, that is point of view. BRB, that is be right back. FYI, that is for your information. Emoticons. People chatting online often use smileys or emoticons to convey certain emotions. Some commonly used emoticons are for laughing, for happy, clowning around, sad or angry, wow, and bored. Instant messaging. Instant messaging programs allow you to create a group which consists of friends, family, or people at work with whom you can engage in a private chat when you are online. Whenever anyone in the group comes online, all the others who are also online are notified of his or her presence. ICQ, MSN Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, and AOL Messengers are some of the most popular instant messaging programs used by people. These programs can be downloaded easily into your PC. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is a facility provided by the Internet where a group of people placed all over the globe can have an online conversation. They can hear and see each other and at the same time exchange text messages. It is a form of communicating using a combination of video, audio, and text data. The requirements for video conferencing are a personal computer with a sound and video card, a web camera, a microphone, and speakers. The participants can view each other in their monitors, their images being captured by the web camera and their voices by the microphones. This data is transferred over the Internet to the others. Speakers are used to play the audio received. ISDN lines are required to provide smooth video conferencing. An example of video conferencing is a TV news reporter reporting live from a faraway place or a talk show where the participants are in different cities. Summary. In this chapter, we have learned following points. The most popular use of the Internet is for retrieval of information. You can use it to search for information on various topics as well as to locate the people. Web pages can be saved on your hard disk for viewing when you are not connected, and this is known as downloading. Freeware are software that can be downloaded for free and be used by anybody. Instant messaging programs allow you to engage in private chats with a group of friends. Video conferencing is a facility provided by the Internet where a group of people all over the globe can have an online conversation where they can hear and see each other and at the same time exchange text messages.